Using your computer-aided drafting software to plan your wood or cold-formed steel framing design is like using a hammer to put a screw on the wall. I mean, you can do it, but it's going to take you time. It will be really repetitive, and chances are that there are going to be mistakes. And of course they will. After all, your CAD software wasn't designed for that. But wouldn't it be great if you had a software that wasn't only built for that, but could also literally do all that work for you? Well, now there is! Meet Vertex BD, a one-of-a-kind CAD software. It automates the process of generating wall panel drawings with only a few clicks. And if you need to, it can also do the same with floor, ceiling, and roof framing. All you have to do is to import your layout drawings or 3D models, set your preferences, and you're set. Vertex BD will then generate panel drawings and material reports for you in only a few seconds. This will not only save you countless hours of drafting time and minimize cost and errors at the construction site, but it will also make the manufacturing process a lot easier and precise. So come and join thousands of commercial and residential builders that are making it happen with us already. Find out more at our website and start your free trial today.